A is for apple, 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 apple. Apples are yummy and crunchy too. B is for baby, 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 baby. Babies giggle, crawl, and coo. C is for candy, 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 candy. Candy's burns not every day. Diamond, diamond. Shiny, shiny, bold and bright. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. The elephant, the elephant walks and sings a song. F is for frog, 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 frog. Splash goes the happy frog. G is for grapes, grapes, grapes. G grapes, grapes make every snack complete. H is for house, 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 house. H house with family fun and harmony. I is for ice, 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 ice. Ice in our drinks gives us a thrill. J is for juice, 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 juicy, fresh and bright. K is for key, key. A key, a key can open up the door. L is for log, a log. Logs come from trees. M is for money, more money to buy, to save, to give away. N is for needle, 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 a needle, fixing clothes from end to end. O is for or, even or, the waves we break. P is for pen, 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 be pen, on paper faster, nice and slow. Q is for question, question, question. Ask away and you will know. R is for rat, rat, our rat. They sneak around and climb a wall. S is for spider, 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 hanging from a door jar. T is for tie, tie. Look sharp day or night. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Rainy days we stay dry. V is for violin, 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 violin. Violin sings night or noon. W is for water, water, water. Water keeps the thirst away. X is for xylophones, xylophone. Xylophone makes music too.
Yahoo!
Y is for yam, yam, yam. Soft and warm, a tasty bite. C is for zebra, zebra. Zebras trot with dancing feet. Yahoo! We did it! Next time, won't you sing with us?